This thing also swivels and turns 360 and goes up and down. This lever here, when you loosen it, when you loosen this lever here, it'll go to wherever you want it to go. All the way down like this, or up. And you just tighten this lever back up. Very difficult to get undone. Anyways, and if you want to set it in one particular spot, then that bolt right there you tighten up, and this bolt you tighten up. It also has set screws right here. That area has 4 different set screws. The set screws on the horns and the set screws that on the base. But that's a different, that ring there is not part of the base. It's a separate ring, the bottom. And that sets it to where you can turn 360 from point A to point B. So that sets your point A to point B. You can set that in anywhere you want on that. Where point A starts, and then it swivels around all the way around from there. And the other two hold it onto the pin. The pin comes up on the bottom. I'll show you on this one. The bolt if you can see that, the bolt goes up inside there in that hex. And to get this loose, it's been a bastard. Okay, I'll show you. To get this loose, see how that's soaking? I'll leave those horns soak overnight. And then tomorrow that should come off. I've already busted one of them handles trying to get it off. Really irks me because I can't replace none of this crap. Anyways, I also, on the top, you see that? Both the bolt and the handle busted. So I started soaking everything overnight. I ain't gonna bust my shit, my stuff. Anyways, the horns are in good shape, and this one's still it hasn't been touched, so I'm going to restore this at a later date. But I'm definitely going to restore 2 of them and put them up on top of my trailer, like I said. Anyways, that pretty much covers it. That's cool shit. Oh, look at the brass right there. I think that's brass. Looks brass. Doesn't look aluminum to me, but it's pretty cool, man. Cool shit.